Hi, my name is David P. Shapiro. I am a San Diego criminal attorney and the owner and managing partner of the law office of David P. Shapiro. My firm helps good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. Today, I want to discuss with you what to do if you are charged with or under investigation for committing a sex crime. And just the word sex crime really creates emotions in people, creates emotions in cops, it creates emotions in prosecutors, it creates emotions in alleged victims, it creates emotions in juries. Having tried many sexual assault cases and sex crime cases in my career, it just really changes the dynamic of a room. So it's something that we need to embrace as the defense as early as possible in the process. Now, sex crimes can encompass a lot of things. They can encompass rape. They can encompass child molest. They can encompass general sexual assault or sexual battery, indecent exposure, all types of offenses, and they are all serious. They all, if not nearly all of them, will require registration as a sex offender for a period of time. And they are all something that you could expect the prosecution and the judge to treat very seriously and to punish very harshly if, in fact, you are convicted. And it's so important to understand and know what you're up against. I actually wrote a book about what to do and how to survive being accused of sexual assault. And you can find a link to that book on our website. You can always call the office at 619-295-3555 to ask for a copy of that book. And the reason why I did that was to outline a lot of things that people, when under investigation for sexual assault or a sex crime, really don't know. And they wind up really hurting their case because they get scared, so they talk to the police. They get scared because they put their guard down to an extreme when the person making this allegation against them calls them and wants to talk to them about their case. And, hey, just admit what you did to me and I'll forgive you. I won't tell the police. That's called a controlled call. Those calls are recorded. Those calls are evidence. Those calls are damning to a defense of a sex crime. So the reason why I wrote that book is to educate people, because the more knowledge you have about the process, the better you can protect your rights. And it eliminates the risk, if not drastically reduces the risk, that innocent people wind up getting convicted of sex crimes, because that happens. We see it week in, month in, year in at our firm. And it's unfortunate. But you need to do everything possible, and it starts by keeping your mouth closed, and it starts by hiring the right locally experienced criminal defense law firm and avail yourself of all their resources to make sure you have the best defense possible. We believe we are, in fact, one of those firms, and we'd encourage you to give us a call if you're accused of a sex crime, particularly in San Diego, by calling 619-295-3555.